Jane is in West Hampstead. Jane, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
How can I help, Jane?
So my question is, I used to work in a small independent salon, and I left about 6 months ago, and I left and I set up on my own. And when I set up on my own, I contacted all of my regular clients, and my old boss found out, and she's now threatening to take legal action because I took their contact details. But I never had a contract with that my old workplace.
Can
so
I
I
just
was
say,
just
Jane,
wondering.
I assume you're talking about a hair salon, but can you just confirm that for me? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right, so are you sure you didn't have a contract? Because it's very unusual for hairdressers not to have contracts. Salons are normally really on the ball with written contracts and restrictive covenants.
Yeah, so it was a small independent salon. She was about to give me a contract, but I'd left just before that.
Okay, well, if you didn't sign a restrictive covenant, she can't stop you from contacting the clients as long as, and this is the sentence you used that worried me slightly, as long as you didn't steal client details. If you knew them, that's fine. If you stole client details, that's not fine.
Okay.
Did you take a list from your old boss?
Yeah, well, I made a list from the system, but majority of those clients had asked me to let them know where I'd gone once I'd left. But some of the clients on the list were my regulars, but they didn't ask me to message them.
Okay.
So,
do you want me to be blunt or do you want me to be kind, Jane?
be blunt.
Okay, you're going down on this one.
Oh, gosh.
If you make a list of clients from an employer, whether there's a written contract or not, you're stealing the clients, and that's unlawful. You were paid to service those clients by your employer. They, in the loosest sense, belong to your employer. The law does say if there's no written restrictive covenant, you're allowed to use the ones you remember or the ones who approach you after the event. But if you've gone and pinched a list, she's going to win. She's going to get an injunction against you.
Right, okay.
Okay, here's my practical suggestion. Apologise and offer a revenue share for the next 12 months. And never, ever steal an employer's client list again.